Hello everyone, my name is Shayla Jae and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a tutorial on this look that I have on my face right now. And I'm shook. The stars, the Mars. We got Mars. Moon, stars, Jupiter, and Mars look. Shout out to Universe for being the universe and also being able to be on my face. Like, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my brows on and they are really purple. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my Morphe 35M palette, which is the Boss Mood one with all the colors and stuff in it. The palette. And I'm gonna go into, what color is this? Daredevil, which is the middle purple one in the second to last row, this one right here. It's called Daredevil. And I'm gonna take that on a blending brush. I'm going to place that right here, sort of like on the inner upper crease almost. And then I'm going to go into my Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm gonna go with Gonzo, which is this light blue color, not Chaos, but Gonzo. This light blue color on the top row. On the same blending brush, in the same spot too. I'm just gonna dip back and forth between those two palettes, those two colors, until I get the shape that I want and also the color that I want, because I don't have the color that I want, so I'm creating it. Art. And then do the other side. I think the only thing that's gonna be hard about this look is making my eyes symmetrical. I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and I'm gonna go into Great Expectations, which is the bottom purple color, and I'm gonna take that on like the very end of my flat shader brush, and I'm going to go right into the crease, like closer to the actual crease. With that same flat shader brush, I'm gonna go into my Profusion Sultry palette. It's very, very old, but I'm gonna go into Ella, which is like this color shifting iridescent glitter. And I'm going to put that over this whole thing. You can see the difference. Got some glitters. Okay. Wow. And I'm sort of like pulling it up into my brows a little bit. So next is under. I'm just gonna go off camera and do my foundation really quickly, and then I'll come back and I'll finish the eye and also play with what I'm gonna put on my face. Okay, so I'm back. I'm back and I'm just baking now. I did my contour because I had to bake it, but other than that, nothing else is done. I started to clean up my eyeshadow and I forgot I wasn't recording. So I already started, but I'm kind of just like cleaning up eyeshadow fell where I don't want it to be, and that's sort of like on this outer part of my lid. So I'm just going back in with a little bit of concealer to clean it up. Now I really gotta make my eyes symmetrical. Why did I think to do that? Good thing is I can just blend the color back out and start over. Like that, boom, right? Close enough. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to dust off the powder, my banana powder under my eyes, and I'm going to finish the eye look. Cool. Okay, I think I want to do, so I'm gonna take my Morphe palette that I've been using, and I'm gonna go into Fired Up, which is this matte orange right here on the end, that one right there. I'm gonna take my brush from my Naked 2, my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, into a dual-ended one. So one side's a flat shader brush, and the other one's sort of like this medium-ish small blending brush. I'm gonna take the flat shader side, and I'm just gonna go into that Fired Up color, and I'm going to place it on my lower lash line. Actually, I'm gonna add another color under here too. Okay, and then next I'm going into my Urban Decay Electric palette again, and I'm going to go into Slow Burn, which is the one in the middle on the top. It's like a really bright peachy orange color-ish. And I'm going to take the same flat shader brush and go into that as well, because the orange that I placed isn't bright enough for me. I think I'm going to take the blending brush side and go into Trophy Wife. This is the closest to yellow I have, which is a yellow gold, so I'm just gonna do it. And it didn't work, so. Okay, I'm gonna take this green right here. It's called Thrash. I'm gonna take my blending brush side, and I'm going to use it to blend this orange out and see how that goes. I have my Morphe 350M palette, which is all of their mattes. And I'm just gonna find like a medium warm transition color and kind of just dust that over the orange, and then take my flat shader brush and go back into Fired Up from the 335M palette and wing it. Sort of create like a very subtle, it's not subtle, create a wing. I should have did that with Slow Burn. So I'm gonna clean off my flat shader brush and go into the orange color in my electric palette. This is orange. I'm going to place that over the wing I just created. I'm going to go into Stroke of Luck, which is the lightest green color in the 35M palette from Morphe. And I put that on a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out that Thrash color. All right. So I have these, and I know, so I'm going to take NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in the color Vivid Fire, which is their red one, and I'm going to make a planet right there, but you can't see it yet. Okay, and I'm going to quickly go into that slow burn color, that bright reddish orange color. And I'm gonna take this really small e.l.f. angled liner brush. Oh, it's dry. So I'm going to add another layer of liquid liner and then quickly go over it with the slow burn color to kind of make the planet more vivid. Don't ask me what planet this is either, because this is not accurate, not even in the slightest. So I put the same color in my waterline, and I'm gonna take the slow burn color. I'm just gonna make this part symmetrical, so I'm gonna put the same planet on my other eye. These are planets in my galaxy because these planets aren't real. Well, they could be Mars. Okay. Okay, all right, and now for liner in my waterline, which is probably dangerous. I made a star. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. This star is special. I'm gonna just add some little dots. It's like, you know, baby stars. Oh, okay. I feel like I need something else, but I'm gonna do my face while I think about what else I want to put on my eyes. For starters, I'm going to dust off my baking powder. I'm gonna add some color to my face. I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush palette, volume 2. And first I'm gonna go into Yara, which is their bronzing, well, yeah, their bronzer color that's in the palette. And I'm just going to warm up my face. And then I'm gonna go into these two colors right here, just so I can sort of mimic the orange that's on my eyes. Look at that, look at that blush. And I pull it up towards my temple, above the ball of my nose. And then highlighter, I think I want to use Trophy Wife. I'm gonna take my big, huge, obnoxious fan brush, and I'm just going to tap into Trophy Wife and place that in the portions of my face that needs to be highlighted. This goes really well with my cute little star. And I usually highlight under my brow bone, but since we got the galaxy right there, I think we're good. I'm just gonna take my L'Oreal Voluminous False Fiber Lashes, and I believe it's Black is Black because that's the only one I ever get. Okay. And lower lashes. And before I forget, I'm gonna do my inner corner highlight because it's gonna be a lot. It's just gonna be really bold, you know, really out there. So I'm gonna take my flat shader brush and my Profusion Sultry palette, and I'm gonna go into Burr, which is this icy blue color. And I'm just going to put that on my shader brush and place it on my inner corner. Yep. Yep, that's the one. I like the color of this, but I need it to be more shimmery, so I'm going to go into my electric palette. In the electric palette, the silver is called Revolt. I'm going to spritz my shader brush with some rose water and place that on my inner corner as well. Okay, I'm gonna do my lip and then I'm gonna come back and my hair will also be done. So I'll see you which way is it? I'll see you soon. I'll see you in a second. Okay, I'm back and I put on a lip and I redid my hair, kinda. But I did my edges and this is the final look. I'm actually absolutely, positively, utterly in love with this. Like, when I started doing this look, I was like, I would never wear this outside. But now I have to go find something to do because this just can't sit in the house. Do you see? Do you see? I'm in awe of my eyeballs right now. This is crazy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I sure had fun creating it and creating this beautiful look right here. Let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on how I do my colored brows, and I will do that for you. Like, share, subscribe, comment, post about it, tweet about it, see about it, be about it, all that. Follow me on Pinterest. I'm making Pinterest a thing because I don't know why it's not popular. I love Pinterest. I love being able to create boards and like have things organized. Like, it's just so soothing. So I'm making Pinterest a thing. Follow me on Pinterest, period.